Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and thank you to the Cabinet Secretary. Mr. Speaker, I've been a chair previously for education, and I want to thank him for the work he's doing. But Mr. Speaker, my question is on the junior secondary teachers, who, Mr. Speaker, were given contracts by TSC, and as per my understanding, Mr. Speaker, the junior secondary teachers have not been able to be paid, and they have gone for months without salary and pay, and a lot of them are going through a lot of pain. So, Mr. Speaker, I would like the Cabinet Secretary to inform the House on what's the plan of paying the junior secondary school teachers. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Sorry, Wamchomba.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And thank you to our Cabinet Secretary in the House. Mine is to direct a question to the Cabinet Secretary on matters drug and substance abuse in school.